What we're looking at here is garland straight out of the box. We have two different styles. I'll show you what they look like opened up, but while they're still packed, let me show you. This is the 9-foot Bangor garland, Bangor, by Vickerman. I ordered them via lightbulbs.com. And I just wanted to show you, this is two garlands here. This one piqued my interest because I had a need for a more decorative garland that I didn't want to put as much stuff on. And this one in the pictures looked like it had a bunch of different textures built into it, which I can tell right off the bat, especially when we compare it right next to side by side to this other garland, another Vickerman one that also got delivered together. Now, this is the Bangor, this is the Grand Teton. And this one looks like the more traditional, PVC that you're looking at. I'll open them up and show you guys what they look like side by side, fluffed out. But I just wanted to show you, they're both 9-foot garlands. So they're about the same height when they come shipped in to you. So now we need to open them up and fluff them out. Now we just did one unfolding across the way. My table is about 80 inches long. These are 9-foot garlands. They're definitely on the floor here. But for context, my table is about 38 inches wide. These haven't been fluffed yet. Look how full they are. But these particular ones are the 9-foot by 18-inch wide, which means when we spread these out tip to tip, they should be about 18 inches fully fluffed across. So these are going to be massive. Would you ever know that there's a dining room table underneath here? Probably not. These have both now been fluffed out. Every branch has been touched to get a preliminary fluff. And look at how beautiful these are. Now again, this is the Bangor here in the front and then the Grand Teton here in the back. Now, having spent some time fluffing them out, and I do recommend that you spend the extra couple minutes and fluff them out, touch every branch, spread it out, because that's where you're really going to get the bang for your buck. Now, let's take a look at them up close, because there's a very specific reason why I bought both of these. This is the Bangor here, and it's very interesting and caught my eye because it had these kind of grassy tip branches mixed in, along with the more traditional PVC branches that we see a lot of. And it also had these kind of light, ever so slightly lighter green branches. And the greenery on them is just a smidge shorter. But when we zoom out and we look at them side by side, just having them both be fluffed, this Bangor has a lot more life, a lot more texture and dimension right out of the gate, which is why I got it, because I thought, well, this one I might not add as much to, so as much natural interest built into it right off the bat, absolutely worth it. Conversely though, this Grand Teton is quite lovely. Let me show you up close. Now let's get close to this Grand Teton, because this one I think is going to be the winner for the majority of people because it is so versatile. It is the more traditional garland we're used to seeing with these hardy PVC stems. I mean, the wiring in here, you're going to use this for many years to come. I 100% would recommend this to anybody, regardless of your decorating level. I believe I'm not sure what's in stock right now, but I don't believe the Bangor had a lighted option available, but I believe the Grand Teton had several lighting options available. So you could even get this lights ready to go in here. And the 18 inches across, 9-inch branches here. I mean, I'm confident we're going to be able to decorate a lot with that. We're losing daylight here, but as we get ready to start decorating for Christmas and the holidays here, you're going to be seeing both of these used in my decorating this year. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see how I use these. Spoilers, some of these are going up on my grand table frame here. So stay tuned for more videos if you're into that. All right, friends. Well, I think we have a great start to our decorating this season with the Vickerman Grand Teton Garland. This is the 18-inch one, and this is the Vickerman Bangor Garland, also an 18-inch one. Both of them are gorgeous. You can't go wrong. Absolutely would recommend My name's Alessandra. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Happy decorating!